Greetings everyone, welcome aboard. My name is Joseph James. It's December 2nd, 2010. Happy Thursday to you. One more day of trading left in this week of ours, guys, as we open up a brand new month of December. Now, of course, we got a bunch of exciting trades to talk about today. We had another winning day in the room. We got right back on the horse from yesterday's tough day in the market. So we had a nice big winning day in the room this morning. Before we talk about those trades we took, though, I want to remind you guys of the blog. The blog has lots of great stuff on it, guys. We want to get to that blog real quick. If you're watching this video right now on the blog, above the video, you'll see sections up top here, guys. Trade room resources, webinars, beginners training. All right, guys. Now, tomorrow on Friday mornings, we do beginners trainings. We've recorded those beginners trainings and we put them up top here, guys, under the beginners corner. Okay, so make sure you guys check those out. Now, inside of that beginners corner, you'll see the recorded sessions. We're going to be doing that live beginners training tomorrow and every Friday morning at 11 o'clock Eastern time. So make sure you guys come out and join us tomorrow for that. So get you on the blog. Lots of great stuff on the blog, guys. Free stuff, of course. You can check out trade room resources, the beginners corner, and the webinars. All right, let's see how we did here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 9 total trades. Gold and crude today. We watched the euro. We watched the Russell as well. Had a couple big moves in the euro this morning. Right, continue with that long trade we took off the lows of the channel yesterday on the euro. We continue to see that moving off those lows today. But we focused mainly though on gold and crude in the room this morning. As you guys know, this method will work on any time frame, any market. I simply choose to trade the gold and the crude because that's what gives me the most opportunities every day. So we got gold and crude here. You can see 9 total trades. We took a loss on the crude about 10:15. Right, took a small loss there on gold at the end of the morning. That was enough for me to kind of stay away from the market after 11:30 when we saw everything slowing down. 140 ticks though today. As you can see, we had a couple big winners there, right? 39 tick winner, 36 tick winner, 31 tick winner. We really need to get back to that November price action. In November, we were seeing everything going, right? Big winners. Early December though, we got non-farm payrolls tomorrow. I think people are waiting for that here yesterday and today. And of course, as you can see here, 140 ticks. That brings to 1,400, 1,720 for the week. We now have over 230,000 for the year so far, and we're hoping to get up to that 240, 250,000 here before we're done trading this month. So great day in the room, 140 ticks. Had some trouble with the crude. We'll take a look at that loss a little bit later on in this video. But what's the most important that happened today? Well, again, we have non-farm payrolls tomorrow at 8:30. So people are definitely waiting, right, sitting on those hands, waiting for 8:30 news tomorrow morning. Okay, we had a downtrending dollar. Okay, the dollar was trending down today, but got real sloppy around 8:45 to 9:30. Okay, that was when things really got kind of difficult to see. We'll take a look at that here in a moment, though. Okay, so dollar being right trending down, the longs, of course, being your bias today. Okay, so dollar is trending down. The better trades would be to the long side, negative correlation, dollar dropping, everything else rises. So trending dollar gave us a good direction for the day, right? All the long trades we took today made the most amount of money. Now gold really struggled though, right? Gold was still in a really tough spot. Now we took 2 trades early this morning on gold, and then we had to wait about an hour to see the market really begin to move again. So the golds, it really struggled to find direction today. It really kind of went sideways all morning. But we were able to grab a nice big back-to-back winning trade combination just about 9 o'clock this morning, which really kind of gave us that confidence back that we had lost yesterday, right, when we had such a hard day in the market. So it's really important today. We got back in the markets. Gold gave us a big winner right off the bat. Took those 2 trades with confidence, got our momentum back in, got our confidence back. Because remember, yesterday was a tough day. So we knew, of course, yesterday that the most important thing that we could do yesterday was learn from the mistakes we made, right? Take a mental snapshot, write it down, take notes, and learn the lessons, right, that we learned yesterday. So today we came in, it was really nice to be able to get a nice big winning trade right off the bat, right? Get that confidence back, make that money, and it reminds us every day is a brand new day, right? I'm not going to let yesterday's challenging price action, all right, make me all concerned or fearful about trading today. Okay, then we got crude broke out after 9:30 and gave us tons of opportunity. So really what happened this morning was we had the dollar trending down, which of course told us the higher percentage trades would be the long side. Okay, dollar trending down. The problem was though is the dollar was pretty sloppy at the beginning of the morning, which caused the markets to be sloppy and slow as well. After 9:30, the dollar broke new lows, right? Gold and crude all take off. And of course, after 9:30, we had about an hour and a half there of really good price action. One of our members, Ryan, this morning, just piling up the profit on the gold and crude today after 9:30. So congratulations out there, Ryan. Great job today, and thanks for sharing with us in the room this morning. So here's my dollar. You can see my dollar, that strong downtrend here, right? We got that channel there, right? So you can see channel high, channel low, right? Nice strong downtrend. Now you'll also notice too, I defined a sideways range below us. And so the natural idea would be you're probably going to see the dollar come all the way down here, right? Test this low here, and then begin to bounce up. Well, that's exactly what happened today. Okay, what happened actually was the dollar actually broke to the upside first, and then actually ended up coming right back down in, and then of course bouncing off those lows. So again, with the dollar dropping right now, negative correlation, we want to be looking for long trades, of course, to go with that dollar. All right, guys, so the dollar downtrending. We also knew to mark up the previous support because that was likely where we were going to see the price bounce. All right, so define the sideways range. With that dollar, we knew exactly where to expect the dollar to bounce, right, off the lows of that sideways range, the bottom of the channel, and that's exactly what happens today. Okay, so we pretty much nailed the dollar down pretty well. But again, it was that first hour of the market that really we had to wait for the dollar to start moving. And after 9:30, that's when the dollar began moving, and that's when we got our best trades of the morning here. And you can see it in our results, right? We started getting big time winners after 9:30 this morning. Now here's my crude. As you guys know, the crude market, one of my favorite markets to trade, and this was one of those markets that, looking at it, right? There's your wedge pattern, there's your price channel. Okay, so we got the trend lines up top, right? There's your price channel. And then of course you've got your trend line coming down, right? That's a major trend line that makes your wedge. So either way you slice it though, we're at the highs. And naturally now I want to sell these highs. So right, so my idea here is, right, sell those highs, take your profit all the way down to the lows of this price range, right? Pretty simple, right? Well, not so fast. We had some support here step in, right, just below the 36s. So what actually ended up happening was the crude market actually ended up testing 36, and then at 9:30, right, that's when of course the dollar finally broke to the downside again. It tested those lows, but then it reversed. We waited for price to break above the 87s, and we started buying all the way up. Okay, so crude began by, of course, trying to help us out with a short trade here. We saw right away, expect that thing to go short. What happened was, though, again, like I said, it bounced off 36s. We then bought those lows, took profit here, got in again, right, and kept buying on the way up, right? So you're going to buy here, take profit there, buy here, right, take profit up top at the highs again. All right, guys, that's exactly what happened here on the crude. Let's take a look. Here's my 13 range chart. My 13 range chart, perfect for day traders. Okay, what I think to be the best day trading time frame. It's the 13 range chart. Now, if you're concerned about what range charts are, go to the blog right now. On the blog right now, you'll see a video on different chart types. So search our blog for chart types, right? And you'll find that video there for you.